Ask ko po, if sa August 28 ang ika-6 month, does the employer can issue a memo this day na hindi siya ma-regular?
Yes. Kung yan po yung last day of probationary employment and yan po yung last opportunity nyo, last window to inform the probationary employee that hindi po siya mapopromote to a regular employee because probationary siya and hindi siya nakapasa dun sa inyong reasonable criteria, reasonable standards, no? Kasi pag nakalampas po yung date na yan and you allow the employee to continue working beyond the probationary period, automatic regularization po yan, no? According to the Labor Code, Article 296, no? So the best practice is on the 5th month of the probationary period, you do the evaluation, you do the appraisal so that you will have at least 30 days of grace period because the employee might need to turn over, diba? The employee might need to do some clearances or finish certain task. So ideally po talaga on the 5th month po yung final evaluation ng probationary employee.